morning, children. So today I'm going to take a new lesson, Unit 7, Saira's Day Out. Now all of you look at this picture. What do you see in the picture? Yes, you can see a girl sitting on a bed, right? And there is a pair of crunches near the bed. You can see that. And we can see that she is not able to walk. She is a disabled girl. She is a disabled girl. She is not able to walk like others. She can only walk with the help of crutches. And she is thinking something, right? So that is what we can see from the picture. So let's read out, children. Yes, so here it goes. Saira was waiting for her elder brother Yusuf. He was waiting for her elder brother Yusuf. Okay, she was waiting for her elder brother Yusuf. Why he is getting late? She thought. So she is thinking that why her brother is getting late. She is waiting for a long time for her brother. So why he is getting late? She was thinking. Why she was waiting for her brother, we can see in the next one. So look at this picture, children. What do you see in the picture? Yes, you can see Saira and a boy, right? Who may be that boy? Yes, of course, it may be Saira's elder brother Yusuf, right? Yes. So, you can see that Saira, what the Saira is doing? Saira is stretching her hands. For what purpose she is stretching? We can see. So let's read, children. Yes. Hi, Saira. Saira turned and looked. The boy said, Hi, Saira. So then she turned and looked. It was Yusuf, her brother. So who was that boy? It was Yusuf, her brother. You have come, she said. She said that you have come. Close your eyes. I have a surprise for you, Yusuf said. So what did Yusuf said? To close her eyes because he had bought some surprise for her. So he told her to close the eyes. So she is closing the eyes and stretching the hands to get something. So that is why she was stretching the hands. So what would be the surprise? Let's see. Yes. From this picture, what do you see from this picture? Yes, Saira is sitting on her bed, right? And something is there in her hand. What is that? A feather. Right, a tail feather is there in her hand. So let's see what it is. Yusuf placed a peacock quill on Saira's lap. So you can see that what was the surprise, children? It was the peacock quill. Quill means the tail feather of the peacock. Okay, so he kept the peacock feather on Saira's lap. Wow, how beautiful. Is it for me? Lovely. So she is asking that it looks so beautiful and is it for me? Saira said, touching the quill softly. She was touching the quill very softly and she was saying that it is so beautiful and is it for me? She is asking to her brother. You know, I got this from the river side. So her brother is saying that, brother, where did the brother get this tail feather? From the river side. There are many peacocks in the bushes near the river, said Yusuf. So Yusuf said that there are lots of peacock near the river. There is a big bush and there are lots of peacock over there. So by hearing this, she was very much eager to see the peacock because she liked peacock very much. So she wanted to see the peacock. So she was very much curious to see that. Okay, so let's look at the next picture. See, you can see that she is dreaming about the peacocks. As I told you earlier, that is, she's dreaming, and you can see from the picture that Yusuf and Saira are talking to each other, right? So, and in Saira's hand there is the peacock quill. So what they are talking about, let's see. Peacocks, can we see them? Saira asked. Saira asked, can we see the peacock? Sure. Yusuf came near Saira and said, I will take you to the riverside. You don't worry, my sister. I will take you to the riverside. We can see peacocks there. Will mother allow me to go out? Asked Saira. Saira said that, will mother allow me, because I am not able to walk like other children. So will mother allow me? Saira is asking. So let's see in the next picture. Yes, in the next picture, what do you see? You see Saira is on the bed. Yusuf is standing near her. Even mother is also standing near the bed. Yes, and they both are talking. Yusuf and mother are talking. So what they are talking, let's see. Let's see whether mother will allow her to go to the riverside. Okay, so let's read. How can you take her to the riverside? Mother asked. Mother asked, how can you take her? She is not able to walk like others. How can you take her alone to the riverside? Mother, my friends are ready to help us, said Yusuf. Yusuf said that, not only me, my friends are there, ready to take Saira outside. Please, mother, Saira pleaded. She pleaded her hands. She pleaded her hands and said, please let me go. Okay, my dear. Mother sat on Saira's bed and kissed her. So, at last the mother allowed her to go to see the peacock. So, Saira's mother sat on her bed and kissed her. Yusuf, you should take care of her, mother said. Mother said that it is your responsibility, it is your duty, you have to take care of Saira. Okay, so let's see how his friends and he are taking out Saira to see the peacock. So that we can see in the next class. So hope you have understood this. Read the text thoroughly. See you during the class discussion time. Bye children.